Hello students, once again welcome to my channel Learn English and Win the World. Students, in our last classes and last videos we had discussed about we had a complete discussion about nouns, their types, the important points to be noted about different nouns. Then in my course of teaching I had taught you about the abstract nouns, how to frame the abstract nouns and thereby develop a different set of vocabulary to be learned by framing abstract nouns. Now, today my chapter is more about nouns. Now, that is nouns number. Nouns can be numbered as singular or plural. We know that noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. So these person, place or things may either be singular or plural. What is the singular noun? The noun that denotes a single thing, that denotes a single person or a thing is called a singular noun, and the noun that denotes uh, uh, a thing, nouns that denote a thing which is more than one, or a place which is more than one, or a person which is more than one, then we call it as a plural noun. Now, students, there are ways of framing. Usually in our childhood and in your childhood also, you must have known that framing plurals means only adding s to it. But no, it is not so. It is only one of the many ways of framing plurals. First of all, we make plurals by simply adding s to things. That is, if we add s to chair, it becomes chairs. If we add s to apple, it becomes apples. That is, one apple, more than one apple is apples. Chair is one chair, more than one chair is chairs. The second way of framing plurals is by adding es, and we add es to the words. Those end with s, double s, ch, o, x and sh. Now see, when we suppose we take the first example of the word ending with s. You may say bus. When we say bus, we mean a single bus. But when es is added to it, it becomes plural, that is buses. Okay. Then we come to the words ending with double s. Say glass. Glass ends with double s. When es is added to it, it becomes glasses. Say class. When es is added to it, it becomes classes. That is plural. Then we have the ch. The word ending with ch. Say branch. Branch ends with ch. When added es to it, it becomes branches. That is more than one branch. Then we have the word, then we have the alphabet X. The words ending with X are, say, box. When ES is added to it, they become boxes. Then we have fox. When ES is added to it, they become foxes. Then we have the words ending with SH. Say brush. When ES is added to it, it becomes brushes. Then we have the words ending with O. Words ending with O, mango becomes mangoes when ES is added to it. Potato becomes potatoes when ES is added to it. Mosquito becomes mosquitoes when ES is added to it. But here I want to tell you one thing. There are certain exceptions in the word O. Certain words ending with O do not take ES as their plurals. For example, photo. When we refer to more than one photo, we simply add S, that is photos. When we refer to more than one piano, we simply add S and make it pianos. So these are the exceptions to the words ending with O which do not take es as their plural but only take s as their plural. Now again there are certain words which end with fe or f. They end with fe or f. They are made into plurals by adding ves. For example, white. Wife becomes wives. Knife becomes knives. Wolf becomes wolves. So, while making the words into plural which end up with f or fe, we remove the fe or the f and simply add ves to it and then make it a plural. Now, besides these ways of making plurals, we have another set of words which have totally a different plural. For example, man. The plural of man is men. The plural of tooth is teeth. The plural of mouse is mice. The plural of ox is oxen. Then we have the plural of woman is woman. Then we have plural of child, that is children. These are certain words which totally take a different plural. Now, we have some other words also which you need to know. Sometimes we hear people talking about, if we talk about more than one son-in-law, they say their son-in-laws. This is wrong. The plural of son-in-law is sons-in-law. The plural of daughter-in-law is daughters-in-law. The plural of stepmother is stepmothers. The plural of maid servant is maid servants, not maids, but it is maid servants. So friends, these are the different ways of making plurals and thereby having or writing a correct spelling of the plurals, because once you know how to frame the plurals, you can also be able to write the correct spelling of the plurals. We will learn more about nouns number, the rules of using them in the sentences in our next video. Till then, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.